How to permanently archive a WhatsApp chat even if you receive or send a new message. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can permanently archive a WhatsApp chat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what this means is that even if you archive a chat and when you receive a new message and when you send a new message, you don't want the chats to be unarchived. And that process is very simple. All you have to do is to simply open up WhatsApp. And as you open up WhatsApp, I will go to the top three dots on the top right corner and then select settings. Over here, I will simply go to chats. And once you go to chats, right over here, you can see you want to make sure that this toggle is turned on. So make sure keep chats archived. Archive chats will remain archived when you receive a new message. Now what this does is that if I come back and then if I archive a certain chat, so if I archive this chat over here, it has been moved to the archive folder. But even if I receive a new message from this person, it is not going to move back to my main chat feed. Instead, it is going to remain within the archive feed. And even if I go ahead and then send them a new message on this list, but this time as well, it is not going to unarchive the message. It is going to remain hidden within the archive folder, so you won't get notified of it. Basically, you always have to go within the archive section and go ahead and see those chats. And this is simply how you can permanently archive WhatsApp chats even if you send or receive a new message. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.